Good morning. Welcome back to the Dear English podcast. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, everyone. Sorry, I am a little distracted. Something smells really good in here.
That is my toast, Paul. I made toast before we started recording.
Toast? You made toast and you did not bring any for me?
Toast. Do you know this word? Toast is bread. You put the bread in a toaster, it gets hot, and it becomes crispy and golden.
And it smells incredible. I walked in and immediately I was hungry.
Well, this is a perfect introduction because today we are talking about the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen, my favorite room. Well, my favorite room when someone else is cooking.
Before we start, if you are new here, welcome! This channel is called the Dear English Podcast.
We make English easy. Every episode is a real conversation. Slow, clear, and friendly.
Please click the like button right now. It helps other learners find us. And click subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Yes, subscribe to the Dear English Podcast. It is free and it really helps us.
Okay, now let's go to the kitchen. So, Paul, tell me, what do you do in the kitchen in the morning?
Okay, in the morning, I boil water first.
Boil. Good word. Boil means you make water very hot, 100 degrees. The water moves and makes bubbles.
Yes, I boil water for coffee. I need coffee in the morning.
I know you do. I drink tea. I also boil water.
Do you do anything else in the morning?
Yes, I cut fruit. I chop banana and apple for my breakfast.
Chop. Chop means you cut food into small pieces with a knife.
Perfect. Yes, exactly. I chop fruit, then I put it in a bowl.
A bowl. A bowl is a round dish. You eat cereal from a bowl. You eat soup from a bowl.
Yes! You are a good teacher today, Paul.
Ha, thank you. I am learning too. So, Paul, do you cook in the kitchen? Real cooking, not just coffee.
Yes, I cook. I am actually a very creative cook. Creative. Okay, tell me about your cooking.
Yesterday, I wanted to make pasta. Simple pasta with tomato sauce.
Okay, that sounds nice.
I put too much water. Too much. The pasta was like soup. Pasta soup.
Pasta soup? That is not a real dish, Paul.
I know. I stirred it, but
Stir. Let's look at this word. Stir means you mix food slowly in the pot. You move it in a circle.
yes, I stirred the pasta soup in a circle for a long time.
And it was still soup.
Still soup. But it smelled amazing.
It smelled amazing. Great phrase. This means the food has a very good smell.
Yes, the smell was wonderful. The taste was pasta soup. But the smell was amazing.
Okay, now we have a message. This is from our friend Maria. She sent us a message about her kitchen routine. I will read it slowly. Listen carefully.
This is good listening practice. Listen to the words, try to understand the meaning.
Maria's message. Good morning. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is go to the kitchen. I fill the kettle with water and I boil it. Then I make my tea. I like my tea with milk and a little sugar. While the water is boiling, I chop some vegetables for lunch. I chop onion, tomato, and green pepper. Then I put the vegetables in a container in the fridge. At lunchtime, I fry the vegetables in a pan with a little oil. I fry them for about 5 minutes. The kitchen smells so good. I stir the vegetables so they do not burn. When they are ready, I put them on a plate with rice. It is a very simple meal, but I love it. My kitchen is my favorite place in the house.
Wow, Maria's kitchen sounds amazing. I want to eat that rice and vegetables right now.
Me too. Did you notice some new words? She said fry.
Fry. Fry means you cook food in a pan with hot oil.
Yes, fried eggs, fried chicken, fried vegetables. We fry food in a pan.
She also said container. A container is a box. You put food inside it to save it.
Perfect. And she said it does not burn. Burn means the food is too hot. It becomes black. It is not good.
Like my pasta soup. I think I burned that too.
I think so, Paul.
Okay, everyone, let's do our review now. These are the kitchen words from today.
Listen carefully. Repeat after us if you can. This is very good practice.
Number 1, boil.
Boil. You boil water. The water is very hot. It makes bubbles.
Number 2, chop.
Chop. You chop vegetables. You cut them into small pieces with a knife.
Number 3, stir.
Stir. You stir the soup. You mix it slowly in a circle.
Number 4, fry.
Fry. You fry eggs in a pan. You use hot oil.
Number 5, burn.
Burn. The food burns when it is too hot. It becomes black. It is not tasty.
Number 6, bowl.
Bowl. A bowl is a round dish. You put soup or cereal in a bowl.
Number 7, container.
Container. A container is a box for food. You put food inside and save it for later.
Number 8, it smells amazing.
It smells amazing. This means the food has a very, very good smell. You want to eat it right now.
Number 9, toast.
Toast. Toast is bread that is hot and crispy. You make it in a toaster. It smells amazing.
Like this morning?
Yes. I could smell Emily's toast from the hallway.
And number 10, fill.
Fill. You fill the kettle with water. You put water inside until it is full.
Wonderful. 10 important kitchen words. And you heard all of them in our real conversation today.
I really enjoy this topic. Kitchens are so universal. Everyone has a kitchen. Everyone eats.
Exactly. And now you have English words for your kitchen. You can use these today.
Yes. Next time you boil water, say it in English. Boil. Next time you chop vegetables, chop.
And next time your food burns, say it smells amazing anyway.
Yes, positive thinking.
Before we go, please subscribe to the Dear English podcast if you haven't yet. Every week we have a new conversation like this one.
It is free, it is friendly, and it is good for your English. Just click subscribe.
And now, our question of the day. This is for you. Write your answer in the comments below.
What do you make in your kitchen every morning?
You can use this sentence. Every morning, I blank in the kitchen. Fill in the blank. Tell us.
For example, every morning I boil water for coffee and press snooze 3 more times.
Paul, that is too honest.
It is 100% true.
Thank you so much for watching today. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone, and go drink your water, not pasta soup.
Goodbye.